we'd like to introduce you now to our new tarp grippers. Designed grips on any sort of tarp. You can put a tent pole up through there, tie your tie downs to there. It's also designed that when you undo the nut and you put that over your tarp, the bolt actually lines up with the eyelet. All right, we've made our tarp grippers up into a pack of four tarp grippers, 4 bungee cords, and we use that as a simple anti-flap kit. All right, to install, you simply slide that over your awning, do it up like that, and then you get your bungee cord, hook it onto there, wrap it around your side and back on itself. And that's it set up. 2 on each end, spaced evenly on each end.